Welcome to the Ghetto review of the Corsair K95 fully mechanical keyboard. Corsair equipped their flagship keyboard with Cherry MX red switches, 18 macro keys and fully customizable backlighting. The K95 is not a cheap device. It costs around 140 euros. Just like were used from Corsair, the entire top part is brushed aluminum, which gives it a real premium look and some much needed strength. The overall build quality is pretty good. You can find the 18 macro keys on the left side of the keyboard. On the top is the macro record button, which allows you to record macros on the fly. Next to that there are 3 macro mode buttons, which allow you to set 3 different profiles for your macro keys. All of these keys, including the macro ones, are mechanical. Lighting buttons on the top, you can adjust the levels of backlighting or set custom backlight profiles. There are 3 levels of brightness, and with the left button you can set your personal profile very easily. Just hold the button until it starts flashing and you can press the keys where you want the lighting enabled or disabled. This way you can make any pattern you want. After you're done, hold the button down again and it saves your profile in the keyboard itself. No software is required. On the top left part of the device are the media keys, so you can control your audio easily. The volume is adjustable with a roller styled controller. This keyboard comes with Cherry MX red switches, as you can see there. The red switches do not have a tactile bump on them, so it's a very smooth key to press. Sadly, Corsair decided not to include a key puller or custom keycaps. The lower priced K70 does have these. On the bottom part you can see the mounting of the wrist rest. This looks very strong and is not likely to break. Also you can secure the wrist rest in place with 2 screws. Also on the bottom you can find 7 rubber pads to keep the keyboard in place. This board has risers on the back. Too bad they don't have rubber on them. The build quality is pretty decent and has almost no flex to it. On the back you can see a Bioswitch, designed to make it work with any BIOS. By switching it you can turn off special features so you can get into a non-compatible BIOS. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.